This is really good to have. It's been connected to your keychain. Comes with a carry bag, which is excellent. Won't get damaged that way. To get the information out. There we go. And it's got a cord. It comes with it. Easy to read instructions on how to use it. Not sure what that is, but quick guide, quick start on how to use it. So I will definitely maybe update my review once I've had a chance to use it. And that's it. I think I've heard really good things about this, and I've been wanting something so that I don't have to use a cord to connect from my earpiece all the way over to the monitor on the planes. It gets disconnected, people kick it out, or I move around and it dislodges from my earpiece connected to my ear. And so this is a great investment. It's a great idea, and I can't wait to use it. I think you'll like it. And that's for my review. Thank you.
You don't hear the airplane noise anymore. You can also connect your AirPods. I just connected it to my TV.
Try turning these on really quick, and then I'll go and test them.
Hear it.
And
You know that sinking feeling when you sit down on the plane and realize you only brought your AirPods and the in-flight entertainment only works with wired headphones? Yeah, never again. This is the AirFly. The AirFly is a wireless audio adapter that lets me use my AirPods on the plane so I can actually hear the movie, block out noise with my noise-canceling headphones, and enjoy the flight. I used to suffer through flights with these awful airline headphones, and then I discovered AirFly. It connects my AirPods to the seatback screen in seconds. The battery lasts over 25 hours, so I never worry about charging it. No more airline headphones, no more achy ears. Now I can actually enjoy my movie on the flight. I'm never flying without it again. Get AirFly for your next flight.
Here's my little stereo CD changer. I'm inserting the transmitter into the headphones port. Turning it on. Here's my Bluetooth. Bose. There we go. It's working. It's worth the money.